Athena Coaching Center is the #1 training center in India for nurses. We provide quality training as online and offline for OET, HAAD, DHA, MOH, NHRA, Prometric, NCLEX RN, and CBT. Crash courses are also available at your convenience. Candidates can have a quality check before joining the classes by attending free demo classes. We focus on individual face-to-face sessions for the aspirants to ensure 100% results. We have a wide range of study materials and also mock test periodically. Athena Coaching Center assures 100% result in all licensing exams for all nurses who wish to work as RN in Middle East and Europe. Above all, we can guide the nurses in data flow and exam registration to have the eligibility to become an international nurse.